From gorgonias to rhododendrons, from dolphins to wolves. Within a radius of a few kilometers, the landscape changes completely, revealing extraordinary treasures between the mountain peaks and the sea. These are the parks of Liguria, little gems of nature scattered along the mountains that face the Mediterranean. We will discover them together along the high road of the Ligurian Mountains, a spectacular excursion route that stretches over 400 kilometers inland, mainly along the watershed divide that outlines the region's coastal slope, passing through the heart of the great regional nature parks and connecting to other protected areas by way of specially constructed byways. I, the Golden Eagle, the Queen of Raptors, will be your guide on this unforgettable adventure through the natural beauties of Liguria. Now we head straight for the sea, toward one of the most famous promontories of the peninsula. I leave you with the peregrine falcon, a beautiful bird of prey that lives in this extraordinary protected area, who will show you one of the most beautiful stretches of coastline in Italy.
The mention of Portofino brings to mind the little port frequented by the rich and famous, the little shops, famous designer boutiques, bars, dance parties and aperitifs aboard millionaires' yachts. One thinks of the little seaside village as an open-air meeting place for the jet set, a mecca of international tourism. This is the exclusive Portofino for the privileged few. But there is another Portofino for everyone, filled with nature walks, silence, Mediterranean vegetation and salt sea air perfumed with flowers. This is the Portofino I want to show you. The Portofino Regional Nature Park lies on the promontory of the same name, the main outcropping of the Ligurian Riviera 30 kilometers east of Genoa. The protected territory is the result of a long and wise interaction between man and nature, which has produced a surprising variety of environments. The area is rich in history and nature, with breathtaking landscapes and views famous the world over. Everyone knows about the sophistication of Portofino, but few are aware that the entire promontory is one of the oldest protected areas in Italy. Rescued from industrial development back in 1935, the promontory retains Mediterranean slopes and, not far away, environments with a continental character, with animals and plants typical of several latitudes, coloured Mediterranean scrub butterflies, dense plants and rare birds of prey. It's well known to the Genoese, who have come here for decades to take long, pleasant walks year-round along a wide variety of paths, ideal for family outings or expert excursions. Much of the promontory has no roads or houses. A little inlet provides the only docking point on the southern slope of the park, dominated by a 16th century abbey. Other sparse buildings, now overgrown with vegetation, date from the Second World War. Everything has returned to the realm of nature. The birds among the Mediterranean scrub take turns caring for their chicks. This is the little Sardinian warbler with its characteristic reddish eyelids. A fox lurks amidst the dense underbush in search of prey. For the little rodent, there is no escape. Safe on a high bough, the blackcap is busily hoarding tiny elderberries. In this unspoiled environment, I too have no problem finding my prey. Now that I have my strength back, I want to show you this extraordinary wild stretch of coastline from above.